Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mix up a natural weed killer. I don't really want to use any harsh chemicals or anything like Roundup or glyphosate around my garden with some bees and our plant life and our pets and animals. So today I'm going to mix up the old classic, which is vinegar, salt and some dishwashing liquid, and we're going to mix that all up and we're going to chuck it into this Ryobi garden sprayer, and we're going to test it on some weeds around the garden and the pathways and see what happens. So I'll just run you through what we're going to do. We're going to use vinegar. There's two types of vinegar. There is cooking vinegar, which you'll get at supermarkets, and I think you'll be looking at about 5% acidity. This one here I got from a local Bunnings. This is actually cleaning vinegar, so the acidity level is a little bit higher. I believe it's like 6%. I can't verify this, but some people say the extra 1% is essentially 20 times more acidity. I don't know if that's true or not, but the stronger the acidity, the better. We've got some salt that we're going to mix into there, and we've got some dishwashing liquid. The dishwashing liquid will help the vinegar and the salt bind to the plant, which will maximize its effectiveness. Okay, so let's do this. When you make up this mixture, you probably want to use it on a hot sunny day to be most effective, and also you don't want any rain in the next 24 to 48 hours either. You really want to get this mixture on those plants. Best thing about this is it's cheap, it's fast, and it's a lot safer than those other chemicals, especially if you've got young children or pets around. The cons of it is you may have to keep it up on an ongoing basis, just because a lot of weeds, it won't get to the roots, and it may need multiple applications just to keep on top of that, as opposed to some chemical solutions, which is, you know, one hit, one kill. All right, let's begin. I've got another video about this Ryobi garden sprayer. If you're interested in that, how it works and what it does, check that out in my playlist or on my channel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get some vinegar. Pour that into here. This is where my trusty Leatherman comes in handy. I don't leave home without it. Now, for every litre of vinegar, you probably want about 3 to 5 tablespoons of salt. You can measure it out, or you just be like me and just guess it. Next, we'll have 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. And that should be that. And put on the lid. Clip it into place. Now we're ready to spray. Give it a bit of a mix. Adjust our spray. So basically what you want to do is you want to spray this on usually paths, because the salt residue will stay in the soil, so it'll be harder to grow things in the future. So if you want to plant plants or have a garden, you probably don't want to have this salt in where you want to grow something in the future. And remember, anything you put it on, it's going to kill. So I'm not going to put it on the lawn or selective weeds or anything like that. You won't want to spray this on a weed that's in your lawn, because all the grass around it will die as well. Okay, that's finished. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rinse all this out, because I've heard stories of people leaving this solution in here or other chemicals, and it makes everything deteriorate. So we want to make sure we're all clean and rinsed out. Okay, so that's done, and what we're going to have a look at is the areas that we've done, and we're going to come back in a couple of days and see what it looks like. They're actually starting to wilt already, which is very interesting. One thing I did do is there's two bushes just here, this one and this one. I did spray this one, so it'll be interesting to come back and see what this one looks like. And I sprayed down here. Here we are a couple of days later. As you can see, a lot of the weeds are dead, which I'm very happy about, especially over here. This area here, they're all dead, and along these grooves here. This area here, they're all dead as well. This one here is dying, but may need a second round of the spray to really knock it off, but it's not looking too healthy. There was two plants here. There's the plant I didn't touch, and there's the plant I sprayed. It's not dead, but it isn't looking too good. In here was pretty bad. As you can see, they've either disappeared completely or dead. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. All right, see ya.